What are you doing, Alex?
We're gonna see if Vise Grips will work as lug nuts. Okay, so this all stemmed from, I saw a picture on the interwebs of a wheel held on with Vise Grips. And I'm curious if anyone actually ever tried that, because it sounds like a great idea personally. So, got me 5 pairs of Vise Grips, a few different styles, a few different brands. And we're gonna throw them on and see if it'll hold a wheel on through a little bit of abuse. So the game plan here is I'm gonna take off a couple lug nuts at a time and put them on. So the old lug nuts will be holding it tight up against the hub, put the Vise Grips on nice and tight, and then take the other lug nuts off and do that. So I don't have the wheel wobbling with Vise Grips, it's already drawn tight against the hub. So we have the best chance of this working. So my bet are these big Vise Grips right here are gonna come off. I don't think they have a whole lot of engagement on the threads there. Like I feel like these flat jaw Vise Grips and the Milwaukee Vise Grips, I think they'll hold just fine. But this and these barely having anything, I bet this is the first to go. What's your guess, Kev?
So I'm not really liking the look of the Vise Grip brand, the way it's biting down and clamping down on the stud. Both of them are kind of a little shoddy. So I'm gonna either go with this one or this one, and the one I think that's really gonna last is probably the squared off tip Vise Grip here.
Time for the maiden voyage on the Vise Grip wheels.
What is he doing? Oh man, one time wasn't enough.
So I think we can drive in the driveway just fine, back up and move around it and all, but I think we need to try something a little bit more aggressive. Are they all still there?
They're all still on.
Oh, they like sprung out.
Centrifugal force.
Like a governor on a go-kart engine. They just go... Well, that was second gear. Let's go for third.
I'm all muddy.
Gotta get a little wheel speed up.
Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! What? That's a lot of damage.
Which ones fell off first?
I don't know. They all did it once, I think.
Where'd they go?
I don't even know, dude. They are gone. That's like right where I was standing too. I did not expect that tire to go yeet. Oh, we got the yeah. Man.
Well, technically now we're trespassing too. This ain't our property.
Oh well.
Well. Oh, I nicked my wheel a little bit. Oh, it wallered my wheel out. The holes are wallered. So it must have been wobbling for a little while.
And I'm willing to bet they probably came off either before or during that little slide sideways.
Well, yeah, so there might be some underneath it.
It's probably one of the scariest things I've experienced. I mean, you can just see where that tire just kept going. I mean, you could see right where the truck stopped, and you can see where the tire just kept on going. Shoot, right over towards me. Where's the freaking tire?
Well, eventually the lugs will dig into the ground. They might give me some bite.
For them to pass zip ties. Still looking for his vice grips. What was that? Shut her down! You freaking animal! That was like a saw, dude.
I want to see the video. Well, in conclusion, I do not believe you should use Vise Grips as lug nuts. They held for an awful long time, had like 3 or 4 burnouts with them on. I had probably 10 minutes of them on in the field before they came off, so in a pinch to get off the trailer or something, you might be able to use Vise Grips, but in daily use, not recommended.